In this video, I'm going to cover adding tools to the tool library. To do that, I can go to the Manufacturer ribbon and then select Tool Library. When the tool library comes up, I can see that I have a list of all of the tools currently in my library on the left, organized by category and size. On the right over here, I have the parameters of the currently selected tool and a preview of the shape of that tool. So I'll select the 1/4" end mill from the left. And when I do, the preview updates, and I get the description, the units, the diameter for this tool, and the max cut depth. And this will be updated based on the different tool types. So like for a V-bit, there's a few more parameters to define the shape of that tool. And if at any point I want to understand what some of these parameters are, I can just hover over the parameter name and I'll get a hint telling me what that parameter means. To add a tool, I come up to the top right button, Add Tool, and select it. And the Add Tool dialog appears. So in this case, I'm going to be adding a drill. So I can select drill from the type and then add a name. In this case, I'm going to add a 5mm drill. Click Add. So now down here in my drill category, I see the 5mm drill. And it just so happens in this case that the default parameter happens to be correct. I have a diameter of 5mm, my units are set to millimeters, and my max cut depth is set to 25mm. Let's add another tool. In this case, I will add another drill, and I'll do a 1/4" drill this time. So this time, I'm going to switch the units to inches and then update my parameters. So if at any point I decide I need to remove a tool, I can do that by selecting the tool from the library on the left here, and then selecting Remove Tool. And I'll get a warning asking me if I actually want to remove this tool. I can click Yes, and the tool is removed. I also have some buttons here to manage libraries. I can create new libraries, save this library off as a new named library, and then load some of my other saved libraries using the Load Library button. Once I'm done making changes, I'm ready to go. I can click OK, and now I'm ready to use the tools in my designs. That's it for the tool library.